injection molding machine that offers the high injection pressure and long holding time performances of hydraulic presses with the energy saving and control of electric servo drives. Also, it is built like a tank with its iconic Nissei reliability and continues to run for decades after decades, and it comes with the true Industry 4.0 capabilities. Nissei has the answer for you. We are introducing the all-new horizontal hybrid type injection molding machine FNX-IV Series with the IoT-Enabled TACT5 Controller. Nissei's small hybrid FNX series was developed in 2005, and mid-size FNX series was developed in 2006, and FNX-140 press was unveiled at NPE 2006 and shocked the whole world. Its groundbreaking launch triggered a paradigm shift in the industry, as our competitors were solely focused on all-electric machines. Its energy-on-demand approach has helped many molders to reduce power consumption while improving process stabilities. With the introduction of IoT-Enabled TACT5 Controller, the series raises the bar even further. The FNX-IV Series offers lineup ranging from 89 to 501 US ton clamping force with a variety of injection and screw combinations available. Here are 3 keywords that define the FNX-IV Series: user-friendly, mold-friendly, and eco-friendly. The FNX-IV Series has received 3 major upgrades: new IoT-enabled TACT5 controller, new standard screw, and ISO 24030 compliant safety features. All of these features can take the user-friendliness of the FNX-IV Series to the next level. New IoT-enabled TACT5 controller offers familiar operation of the previous generations of Nissei controllers, but it is intuitive to use for new users. TACT5 can support digital transformation of injection molding machines. Its key features are universal design for easy-to-see color scheme and large fonts, top and bottom dual window for better visibility without jumping screen to screen, touch and flick operation like a smartphone, Industry 4.0 capability, an IP65 rated water and dust-proof touch panel, which safeguards against dust in the factory and water splashed on the controller due to cooling water problems or other issues. Nissei's IoT technology and constellation utilizes injection molding machine to function as a network hub, and auxiliary equipment can be connected. It allows real-time collection of operation data, remote monitoring, and remote maintenance, as well as offering predictive maintenance feature that can prevent sudden mechanical failures. Nissei's new standard screws used in the FNX-IV Series are designed to achieve higher plasticization stability. It improves molten resin quality, which can reduce molding defects and resin waste. Variation in weight is 44% less, metering time is 32% less, and injection peak pressure is 13% less compared to the conventional screws. The FNX-IV Series is also ISO 20430 compliant and is designed to ensure safety of the operators by restricting potentially dangerous movement during operation. The FNX-IV Series machines are equipped with a direct pressure type clamping mechanism and offer many advantages such as long stroke, stable clamping force transmission, low maintenance, long service life. Its mold open-close stabilizer ensures smooth motion and positional accuracies. By utilizing the low-pressure molding application and SAPLI, clamping force can be reduced while eliminating molding defects. All these features can contribute to protecting your tools. Nissei has been continuously raising the bar on green technologies since the 70s, and eco-friendliness is in its DNA of Nissei injection molding machines. Nissei hybrid injection molding machines achieve all-electric machine level of energy efficiency thanks to the servo hydraulic hybrid X pump system, which operates on demand, and CO2 emissions can also be reduced as a result. Because of its energy efficiency, you may qualify for federal or local incentives and rebates. The FNX-IV Series delivers grease-free clean performance and are widely used in clean rooms around the globe. Like all Nissei machines, the FNX-IV Series provides exceptional longevity and maintainability, which are also friendly to your wallet. In addition, the FNX-IV Series machines are designed to operate on 460 volts 3-phase power. Utilizing higher voltage may offer advantages in lowering installation costs, including the ability to use smaller wire gauges due to reduced current, along with saving space. All these features and characteristics can help you meet your sustainability objectives, whether directly or indirectly. Nissei also proposes to achieve environment impact reduction in the factory as a whole from many angles in addition to injection molding machine, such as material, mold, robot, product design, auxiliary equipment, factory environment, maintenance, and more. As you see, the FNX-IV Series can be a great asset for your molding operation because of its user-friendliness, mold-friendliness, and eco-friendliness. These machines will be your friendliest friends that make you smile because of all the benefits you can have for your production. Nissei is an all-around great choice for your next molding machine. As a global company, Nissei will enrich communities through plastics.